Hi guys, welcome to today's video. So we're going to do another inspired makeup look. So for today we're going to do, on the Beauty of Christmas series, we are going to do an Evan Rachel Wood inspired makeup look. If you want to see the entire Beauty of Christmas series so far, you can find it in the description and in the cards up above. If you want to see how I create this look, then keep on watching. So I did my face and my eyebrows off camera, so now I'm going to go into my eyeshadow. I'm going to use the L'Oreal nude palette, and so in this photo, Evan Rachel Wood really has like a natural makeup look, and it looks like she only has one color. So we're just going to use this one from the palette. And we're just going to kind of put that all over the eye. So I'm going to use this one from Oh Fashion. And my eyes are already primed too. I'm just going to put that all over the eye. And it looks like it's kind of like up to the crease as well. Now it doesn't look like she's wearing any eyeliner, I don't think. So I'm going to use this brown one. This is the L'Oreal Flash Cat Eye eyeliner. I'm just going line. So in this picture, she really has a light blush. So this one is actually perfect for this one. So this is the Maybelline Fit Me Blush in Mauve. You know, I really like this one. So we're going to use the Sonia Kashuk blush brush. For lipstick, I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Melted Matte liquid lipstick in the color Child Star. I'm going to end with my DIY finishing spray. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys tomorrow. Bye!